In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a small business CRM in Notion. We'll build a clean, reliable system to track leads, customers, and follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. By the end, you'll have a simple pipeline you can manage in minutes a day. Start by creating a new page in Notion and name it CRM. Choose Table as the view so you are working with a full database right from the start. This gives you the structure you need for sorting, filtering, and adding multiple views later on. Next, customize your properties so the database captures exactly what matters. Keep the default name property for the customer or lead name. Add a select property called Stage, with options like lead, qualified, proposal, closed, won, and closed. Pick clear, distinct labels so the pipeline is easy to scan. Add an email property for the contact's email and a phone property for their number. Create a select property called lead source to track where contacts come from, such as website, referral, or Instagram. Then add two date properties. Last contacted, which marks your most recent touchpoint, and next action, which is the date you plan to follow up. These two dates are the backbone of consistent outreach, helping you prioritize each day. With the data structure in place, set up your views. Create a board view and group it by stage. This turns your pipeline into a visual Kanban where you can drag a contact from lead to qualified to proposal as progress happens. It's a great way to see momentum at a glance. Keep your original table view as the detailed list of all contacts. Use the filter and sort menus to focus on what matters, like filtering by stage or sorting by next action so upcoming follow-ups rise to the top. To connect people to organizations, create a separate database named Companies. Back in your CRM, add a relation property and link it to the company's database. Now each contact can be attached to the right company, giving you context without duplicating information. Finally, standardize your notes with templates. Inside the CRM, create page templates for meeting notes or sales scripts. Add headings like agenda, key takeaways, action items, and next steps, so every interaction is documented the same way. Consistent templates save time and make collaboration smoother. That's your small business CRM in Notion, structured, visual, and practical. Keep it updated, review your board view regularly, and use next action to drive daily follow-ups. Thanks for watching.